Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows Update active and an ISO or install. WIM available. Open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell now. You need admin rights. Once done, mount the Windows 10 ISO and note the drive letter, for example D. Make sure the install, WIM or install, ESD path is correct. This lets Windows use local source files instead of failing to download components, so the next steps can repair. Net 3. 5 without repeated 0x800f, 081f errors. Now you run DISM to install. NET Framework 3, 5 from the mounted ISO. Execute DISM/online/enable feature name, netfx3/all/source, d/sources/install. WIM 1/limit access. This targets the local image index and prevents Windows Update from interfering. Wait for completion. If DISM reports success, the feature is added. If it returns errors, inspect the DISM log at %windir%backslash/logs /dism/dism. Log to identify missing components or corruption so you can adjust the source index or repair the image before retrying. Finish by rebooting and verifying. Net 3. 5 and turn Windows features on or off, or run DISM/online/get features, Findster netfx3. If installation fails, run sfc/scano to fix system files, then DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health/source, d/sources/install. WIM to repair the component store. Also confirm group policy or WSUS isn't blocking feature install, and temporarily disable antivirus if needed. This single troubleshooting tip, inspect policy and WSUS, resolves many persistent 0x800f081f cases when everything else looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.